how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. So for that, let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in and you get to this interface, now navigate to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. You land on your profile page. Now again head over to the top right corner and tap on that gear icon. Now under the settings page, you have to find an option that says data saver. You will find the data saver option under this privacy control. So scroll down a bit, then tap on data saver. Now from this page, if the checkbox next to data saver is turned on, then you have to uncheck that and turn off the data saver. Once you turn off, then it will allow you to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.